Hi, this is Jeff from SeedCode. I'd like to show you iCalFM. This is our new product that makes it really easy to publish your FileMaker data to iCal and Google Calendar. So here's what you get when you download iCalFM. You get this folder, which contains these three files, and that folder needs to go into the web root of your server. On a Mac, it's here. Library, web server, documents. So you see I've got this folder here, and that's all you have to do with that. Now, you also get the iCalFM creator, which is this FileMaker file, and that's where you configure the calendars that you want to publish from your own FileMaker file. Or you can use this copy of SeedCode Calendar Free that comes with the download. This is just our free calendar product, has some modifications in it, but you're welcome to use this as your data source as well, or just for testing. So in iCal, here are some events that are currently being published out of my appointments database, which is here. Now this is hosted on a server. Okay, it's this really simple database I created. It's just got the one layout and these fields, and I've created some sample data in here, and that's what we're seeing on this calendar. Now what's being published is this calendar here that I called My Work, and it's only publishing those items that are marked Work in the category field. So let's publish another one for the items marked Play. All right, so let's do that in here. I'm going to create a new calendar called My Play, and the server settings are here. I'm going to paste in my FileMaker server address and the login information. Login information here, and then I'm going to get from the list of open files, I'm going to choose my file Appointments, and from that file I'm going to choose from the layouts, which is this layout named Appointment. Okay, so everything looks good so far. Let's map these fields. Okay, this will take a minute, but I'm just choosing the fields in my file that correspond to the field objects in the iCal data format. Okay, and so that'll just take a minute, and I'll be right back. Okay, and that's done now. So let's go to entering filter criteria. Now remember, we wanted to include in this calendar only those appointments where the category is Play. So now we can test that setup. What we get back is the iCal data format, and that's just for our reference here. Because to subscribe to it, we can either click subscribe here, and it'll go directly into my iCal on this same computer. And it's as simple as that. I'm now subscribing dynamically to that data source, my FileMaker data in there. If we want to send this to anyone else, including ourselves, if we want to get it onto our iPhone, we can click this button to send a link, and then we get this email. All right, and we've got two links in this email. They're identical except for the beginning here. WebCal is going to work for someone's iCal application on their Mac. HTTP is going to be necessary for other products, some non-Apple products. So we provide both of them in this outgoing email, and it's called that. You can send it to whomever you want, including yourself. So I've emailed that link to myself here on my iPhone, and there's the message. Click on that first link, which is the WebCal link. My iPhone's going to offer to subscribe me to that calendar in my calendar app, and view events, and turn the iPhone sideways. We'll see all the events that week, including those new ones. 4th of July barbecue is one of them, one of the family events, and you see all these clickable links. The first one is the address, so if I click on that, we see that address in my Maps app on my iPhone. Let's do one more thing here in iCalFM Creator. Let's create a third calendar for family. I've got a couple of events down here that are marked family. Okay, now I just want to show you this feature where you can duplicate an existing calendar in iCalFM Creator, and then all I'm going to have to change is the filter criteria, which is category family, and then if I go to subscribe to that, we get that as a separate calendar, and those items show up there. Okay, so really easy, really fast, and it's just the easiest way to publish read-only calendars from your own FileMaker data. iCalFM. Thanks for watching.